basketball fans. A tragedy has befallen the world of basketball. Earlier today, at the age of 41, Kobe Bryant was killed in a helicopter crash. In 20 seasons with the Lakers, Kobe was a 17-time All-Star, two-time NBA Finals MVP, two-time Olympic gold medalist, and five-time NBA champion. The NBA and the game of basketball will mourn this loss together. Please join us in a moment of silence for Kobe Bryant. Rest in peace, Mamba.
I don't know. I just don't have a lot to say. The news is just devastating to everybody who knew him, known him a long time. And he means a lot to me, obviously. He was such a great opponent, it's what you want in sports. He had that DNA that very few athletes can ever have, the Tiger Woods and the Michael Jordans, it's funny, I was getting to know him more since he retired, this is a tough one. We have to go play. The news is just so devastating for Vanessa and his family, and there's just so many people he touched, and it's looking at my young players and seeing how emotional they are. They didn't even know him, and it just tells you how far his reach was. So, this is just shocking news for all of us. And sorry, I don't have a lot to say. I just can't. I have to go talk to a team before a game and tell them to play a game.
What was your last interaction with Kobe like?
No, it was great. We were at a function 3 or 4 weeks ago, and we sat and talked for probably 45 minutes. We always like to reminisce. We would always laugh at our versions of our losses. When we beat them in 2008, he had his version, and when they beat us in 2010, I had my version, and we would laugh at how different we looked at the games. This is a great loss for the league, and I thought he had so much more left to do, and he was starting to do it. Never seen him happier, so I don't know.
Do you feel blessed that you were able to?
Yeah, I'm lucky that I was part. I'm lucky that I, got to coach and compete, against him, and and I feel for so many people. It's obviously his family. I can't imagine. Lou played with him. Ty Lue played with him. Cliff coached with him. Kawhi was very, very close with him, and so was Paul George. And he meant a lot of good for our league, and especially the competitive part of our league. So, sometimes things don't make sense, and there's times you should feel, just just feel sad. You know, this is one of them, and you know you have to get through it. We will. We all will. We all have to be strong. You know, we laughed and joked about the mama mentality. You know, we're all going to need it right now. You know, and there's nobody. I think everybody right now is a Laker fan. You know, we're all Lakers today. You feel for that community, Virginia, and everyone else. I think people think because you compete against people sometimes that you don't have a relationship with them and you don't like, and it's probably the exact opposite. I think sometimes the more you compete, the more respect you have for the opponent. You know, I would say that's the way I felt with Kobe, and so that's all. I just don't have a lot to say.
Oh, you like my look? Hey, I should tuck my shirt out.
Got that Kobe Bryant look going.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
He's hilarious. I mean, non-stop though. You know what I mean? Like it don't stop.
Go. Go. Hello, come on. All that means is get the hell out of the way.
That's Brian though. That's who he is, man. He just loves having a great time, laughing and joking.
You've been tricking me in 5 years. I figured it out now, Kobe. You better change your signal. I'll figure it out.
ISO, yeah, I already told you what that is. Elbow ISO! On this particular night, Kobe, you made history. This is your 81 point now. LBJ, you've had moments where you're on fire. Everything is going in.
Like that. Not like that.
Well, you've had some.
No. We ain't never had a moment like that.
Now, when you're in the zone, LeBron, what is on your mind? Can you imagine what's going through Kobe's head in this moment?
He just made history. He like, I just had one of those games.
Now, can you write? Now, this is Coach Sam Mitchell, Coach Alex English. What they're thinking? Yeah, what they're thinking. Now, Kobe, you made a lot of people happy that night. Can you circle the happiest fan here in Los Angeles? Find the happiest person. Why is Kwame Brown the happiest person?
Boy, he's ecstatic, man.
He looks like he's having a great time.
Happy New Year, my dear friends in China. Thank you for your support this year, where you've shown passion and dedication through your hard work. I wish you happiness, health, and inner magic to achieve more success in the upcoming year of the mouse. Love, Kobe.
Shine for you, everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I all yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful. And you know I love you so.
Welcome to the Kobe Show.
You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful. And you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. 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 Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you